How does your family help during stressful days?
Have you ever hidden a mistake because of fear?
Cheers!
Clink!
To family!
Clink!
Welcome home, honey.
We missed you so much.
You're here.
We've got you.
But accidents happen. Everybody makes mistakes. I am upset you hid the truth, Liam.
I felt scared and hid the truth afterward.
I know, it's okay, I understand.
I used your phone. I pressed wrong buttons accidentally.
Okay, honey, it's okay.
Mom, I need saying something important.
Take your time, Liam. We're here for you.
I have to tell you something. I think I know what's happening.
Secrets grow heavier every single day, Liam.
Depends. Did the person tell the truth afterward?
What happens when somebody makes a huge mistake?
Well, son, we learn from it. Sounds exactly like family life.
Oh,
And that's a good thing, son. Grandpa Joe!
we're glad you're here.
Hi, kids. Tough day, huh?
We missed you.
I can't believe that just happened. I know, right? It was so funny. Oh, my sides hurt.
The floor wanted dinner first, apparently.
Family pizza night starts right now.
Hooray!
Yeah, pizza. Dinner is served?
No. Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm so sorry. I love you too, sweetheart.
I love you very much, Mommy.
I missed you so much, sweetie. And you too, Liam.
Hi, Mom. No. Mom loves us very much. Maybe we made Mommy tired. We didn't. I know we didn't. Maybe adults cry sometimes too. Do you think Mommy cried yesterday? I didn't do well on the math test. It's okay, we can study together tonight.
No. You are trying because you care.
Am I making everything worse today?
You're here now. That's all that matters.
This kitchen suddenly became very dangerous.
Oh, James. Please save the ice cream before it escapes.
I'm trying. Oh, whoa, careful, careful.
Husband of the year. Almost. And stress also fears chocolate ice cream deeply.
That is actually very sweet, James.
I am fixing stress with beautiful flowers today.
I love them. Are you opening a romantic supermarket now?
I bought flowers and ice cream today.
Oh, you're the best problem solver.
I've got a surprise for dinner tonight. Look what I found.
Everything is fine. Just a busy morning. Sarah, are things okay at home today?
Yeah.
Yes, everything is perfect. Thanks for asking. Yes, I agree. That's a good point, Dave.
Thanks, Sarah. Moving on.
Just a moment. Sorry, what was that?
Dad says hugs help tired people.
Maybe your mommy only feels tired lately.
Mommy sounded sad inside the phone message yesterday.
Oh, sweetheart. What made you think that? Lily, why does your drawing show your mom crying?
Because sometimes she cries at night.
That's a very detailed drawing. Can you tell me what's happening here?
Great. Just great. But she also sounded very worried afterward. She said adults become stressed sometimes. Oh, okay. What did your mom say about it? She said it was fine. No big deal. My mom heard your mom's voice message yesterday. Uh-oh. Liam, hey, Liam, you there? What are you thinking about? Just, nothing. Okay, but look what I found.
Next time, I am hiding this phone forever.
We will survive this strange day together.
Laughs weekly. Today already feels impossible.
I know, but we'll get through it together.
Thanks, Dad.
Buddy, you forgot your superhero lunchbox.
Liam, are you okay? I will give Mommy extra hugs today.
Okay, team. Time for school now.
Time for school.
Everybody feels tired sometimes, Lily.
No, sweetheart. Never with you children.
We promise.
Mommy, are you secretly unhappy with us?
Of course not, sweetheart. I love you so much. Parents are asking if everything is okay.
No. I only did my math homework.
Liam, do you know anything about this?
No, I don't know. I wasn't here.
Mommy sent something accidentally today.
Mommy, why are people hearing your voice?
It's okay, sweetie. Everything will be fine. Every parent heard this message now.
Did we do something wrong, Mommy?
That was private, Sarah.
Oh no. This message went to the school group.
It's okay, we can fix it, don't worry.
Sometimes I feel very tired and stressed lately.
Maybe everybody loves school very much now.
Wow. Why are parents sending many messages today? Did you delete it?
A very nervous squirrel indeed.
Liam looks like a worried squirrel today.
Ha.
Almost done, Lily.
Just need my notebook.
Can we go now?
Please, please, please let nobody hear that message. That would explain the guilty face perfectly.
Maybe Liam ate extra cookies secretly. That's so devious. What do we do?
Probably another broken toy adventure.
What's going on?
It's a secret.
That boy is hiding something today.
No, he isn't. He's just being Liam.
I need water immediately. Very thirsty suddenly. Liam, why are your ears turning red? Well, yeah. Responsible. Totally responsible.
Wonderful. Thank you for being responsible today.
Yes. Everything is completely finished now.
Thank you, sweetie. Did Liam finish his homework already?
Math makes everybody nervous sometimes.
Why are you holding my laptop?
That answer sounded very suspicious, Liam. I
don't know what you're talking about. Nothing. Just math problems.
You sure about that? What happened, buddy?
What happened, bun? Dad, I think something bad happened.
What happened, son? Oh no. Oh no. What? How is this happening?
Oh no. What did I just send?
Sometimes I feel very tired and stressed lately.
We saw something in the attic last night. It was Sarah. Something is wrong.
Because math likes testing brave children.
Why do I have to do this?
Why are math questions always so confusing?
They're designed to be, buddy. More hugs always help this family.
Maybe she needs more hugs from us.
Do you really think so, sweetie? Mom is only tired today, sweetheart.
Mommy looks sad this morning.
Everything's all right, sweetie.
I need one peaceful minute before work starts.
I promise, Mom. Only math homework today.
Please stay inside the school app only.
Okay, Mom. Mom, I really need your phone now.
Okay, here you go. This family always makes breakfast exciting.
Captain Pancake is ready for adventure today.
Your pancake needs a tiny boat, Liam. Oops, my pancake is swimming now. Giggles.
Tonight, we can relax together after dinner.
Mommy just worked very late last night.
It's okay, you did great.
Mommy, are your eyes sleepy today?
They were, but seeing you always wakes me up. Yes, but only for your math homework.
Mom, can I use your phone after breakfast?
Sure, honey, after I finish this.
Today feels very busy already. I have many meetings later.
Pancakes.
This bird looked very smart to me, Lily.
Birds cannot eat pancakes every day, Dad.
Oh, is that so?
Maybe the bird wanted some pancakes with syrup.
He's never done that before. He's really fast.
Maybe the bird wanted some pancakes with syrup.
Dad, I saw a huge bird outside our window.
A huge bird, huh? Tell me about it, buddy.
You won't believe what happened. I just saw the biggest rainbow ever in the backyard.
Thank you, James. I woke up very early this morning.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Good morning, everybody. The pancakes smell very nice today.